This resource is for students in Grade 3. It has been adapted from the Bullying No Way website. These sets of lessons encourage and teach students to explore personal skills, support positive relationships, optimistic attitudes, and resilient responses to difficult situations. Based on the work of Howard Gardner, where children's learning is approached from different angles, providing a variety of entry points, such as narrative, art, collaboration, play, and hands-on involvement. The first lesson teaches children about physicalising key emotional states. The students are informed that they are going to express emotions and actions through their face and body. The teacher calls out different emotions and then says, 1, 2, 3, freeze, allowing students time to think about how they will express these emotions through their bodies. Initially, the teacher may need to model what the students will need to do. The next lesson is to help students to explore strength and inner strength. Here, students work in pairs. One student is a sculptor and the other the clay. The sculptor models the clay into the shape of a student, expressing themselves as strong. The student that is the clay allows their body to be conformed as the sculptor wishes. It is important that the students understand that facial expressions and body language play a role in this activity. As the students present their statues, the teacher can encourage the other students to call out what makes the statues appear to be strong looking and ask them about internal strength and what it might look like. It is important that the teacher discusses the value of inner strength and how it can be particularly helpful in situations where students see things happening that are wrong, especially where students look like they are being bullied. The final lesson about strength teaches students about being active bystanders. The teacher explains the differences between a bully and a bystander. It is important that the students understand it is okay to speak up and out when they are witnessing bullying taking place. The teacher asks the students, what does physical strength look like? Using a large blank piece of paper, the teacher writes across the top, strength looks like, and lists all of the physical features that the students suggest. The teacher then asks the students to call out what they think inner strength looks like. And on top of that paper, the teacher writes, inner strength looks like, and again lists all of the children's suggestions. On the bottom of this piece of paper, the teacher writes, active bystanders can be anyone. The teacher then discusses with the students the importance of having inner strength to stand together to stamp out bullying in their school. It is also important that the students understand that strength is internal, not a physical thing.